In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom invoice templates in QuickBooks Online. If you've been wondering how to give your invoices a personalized touch, then you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you have all the tools you need to create beautifully branded invoices for your business. First, if you haven't already signed up for QuickBooks Online, you'll want to do that. Once you have an account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll see your company file. Select the one you'll be working with, and let's dive into the platform. Head on over to the settings menu. This is where you'll find most of the customization options. Click on Custom Form Styles. This will take you to the area where you can manage all your invoice templates. Next, you'll want to create a new template. Click on New Style and select Invoice. This action opens the invoice template editor, where you get to decide exactly how your invoices will appear. Inside the template editor, you'll start on the Design tab. Here, you have the opportunity to choose your template style from the available options. Make sure to upload your company logo to foster brand consistency. Feel free to mix and match colors, adjust fonts, and modify the size aspects to suit your brand identity. You can preview how these changes will look on the right side as you go along. Next, move over to the Content tab. This is where you can adjust various aspects such as the header, table, and footer sections of your invoice. You might want to add payment terms, include custom fields, or write personalized messages for customers. You can easily drag and drop to reorder fields as necessary to fit the information prominently. Then customize your email options. Click over to the Emails tab, where you can create the message that your clients will see when they receive your invoice. Customize the subject line, add in your company name, or include any special payment instructions or information you want to convey. Personalizing this section can help you establish better communication with your customers. Once you're happy with your custom template, give it a clear and descriptive name, something like Branded Invoice Template 2025, so you can easily find and manage it later. Click Done to save your efforts. To manage your templates as your business grows, go back to the Custom Form Styles section. Here you can make edits, delete old templates, or duplicate existing ones for faster consistency in future tasks. Lastly, let's see how to apply your customized template to your invoices. When you're in the process of creating an invoice, just open the Customize drop-down menu towards the bottom of the invoice screen. Select your newly created template before you send it off to your customers. And that's how you set up custom invoice templates in QuickBooks Online. This level of customization can really elevate your business communications, ensuring your brand is conveyed professionally with each invoice sent. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.